Hi friends, today we're going to be making cottage cheese banana pancakes. These are fluffy, delicious and fiber-packed. With 26 grams of protein per serving, they're also protein-packed, which means you end up feeling fuller for longer. They are made using no regular flour, we use oats instead. Here's how to make them. Start by adding your oats to a blender. Process this until fine. Make sure you blend your oats really well, as this will have an impact on the texture or how fluffy they turn out. Having a high-speed blender really helps in this case. Set the oats aside, then
Add in the cottage cheese, followed by the eggs or ripe bananas, brown sugar, cinnamon, baking powder, and baking soda.
next goes in a teaspoon of vanilla extract for aroma.
Add in the oats and process until smooth.
We are then going to heat up some oil in a non-stick frying pan over medium heat. Next, scoop a third cup portions of the butter in the pan and cook until bubbles form on the surface and the edges turn brown. About 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Transfer to a plate and serve with some maple syrup or your favorite toppings. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe if you haven't already, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.